How to fix Spotify application not working. This tutorial will be used on Android. We'll be using Android, but the same steps can be followed on iOS as well. Before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, first step to fix your Spotify application not working is to check Play Store on Android, or you can use App Store on iOS and check Spotify. There will be an update button if your version of Spotify application is outdated. Try that, and if it still doesn't work, then follow the next step. If it works, then fine by me, okay? Next step to follow is to open the settings. Go to your apps and notification. From the settings, choose Spotify, choose storage and cache, and then all you have to do is just to click clear cache and clear the storage. You will be shown a prompt prompting you to confirm it. You should just choose OK. And hopefully that will fix your Spotify mobile application not working. And that's pretty much it. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please do hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, also do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. And that's the whole tutorial. Cheers, I hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.